Welcome to our deep dive into the world of protein powders, the misunderstood champions of sports supplements. Today, we unravel the truth behind common myths and reveal what truly happens when you incorporate protein shakes into your daily regimen. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness novice, understanding the role of protein is crucial for your body's development and recovery. So, grab your shaker and let's embark on this informative journey. Stay with us to the end for a complete guide that's as engaging as it is educational. Let's get it. Benefits and versatility of protein powders. Protein powders shine as nutritional marvels, offering more than just muscle repair. They stand out for their low-fat, low-carbohydrate, and low-calorie profile, making them an excellent alternative to traditional protein sources. Ideal for muscle building, maintenance, and recovery, protein powders cater to a range of dietary needs. Beyond muscle, these powders save valuable time and reduce dietary expenses. By substituting meals with protein-rich shakes, they offer a practical solution to maintaining a balanced diet without the constant cooking. For those always on the move, protein shakes are the ultimate portable meal, ensuring your nutrition doesn't lapse even during the busiest days. Not a fan of shakes? No problem. The market responds with a variety of protein-rich products like bars and puddings, catering to all tastes and preferences. This adaptability makes protein powders a staple in any fitness enthusiast's regimen. Crucially, protein powders facilitate accelerated muscle growth and enhance physical strength and endurance. They're an ideal snack, curbing hunger effectively and providing sustained energy. Especially for those struggling to meet their protein requirements through diet alone, these powders are a game changer. Common myths and safe usage. Despite their benefits, protein powders are shrouded in myths, notably about their safety. It's crucial to understand that when consumed responsibly, protein powders are harmless. They become a problem only when taken in excessive amounts, leading to potential nutrient imbalances and strain on the liver. For individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions, caution is advised. Protein powders, like any supplement, should complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Always consult a healthcare professional before integrating them into your routine, ensuring they align with your health needs. Choosing the right protein powder is a journey of its own. Your fitness goals, be it weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance, should guide your selection. Consider the protein's type, aligning it with your workout timing and intensity. The amino acid profile is another essential factor, as it determines the protein's overall efficacy. Starting with a small pack allows for a taste test and ensures compatibility with your dietary preferences. Remember, while protein powders offer convenience, natural sources like chicken, fish, and eggs remain invaluable for a balanced diet. Types of protein powders and dosage. Protein powders vary, catering to different needs and digestion times. Whey protein stands out for post-workout recovery due to its fast absorption. Casein, on the other hand, releases amino acids slowly, making it ideal for nighttime consumption. For those seeking a blend, milk protein combines whey and casein benefits, offering a balanced absorption rate. Egg protein boasts an excellent amino acid profile, while soy protein, a plant-based option, offers a convenient alternative despite missing some amino acids. When incorporating protein into your diet, dosage and preparation are key. Typically, 30 grams of protein powder mixed with 250-300 milliliters of liquid suffices, ensuring smooth dissolution. Timing is flexible, allowing for consumption before or after workouts based on personal preference. Let's embrace the transformative power of protein powders, breaking free from myths and embracing their benefits. As we continue to explore and educate ourselves, remember that balance is the cornerstone of any healthy lifestyle. So shake up your routine, literally and metaphorically, and let protein powders propel you towards your fitness goals. Join us next time for more insights. And until then, keep building your anatomy. It's the foundation of all your dreams.